Today we will learn how to draw tables in Word. So first we go to Insert tab. Once you click on Insert, you'll get the table option. Here, simply choose the number of boxes and you will get a table on the screen. Apart from this, there are two other methods. Press Enter. I will show you one more method here. Go to Insert, go to Table. Here it is. Insert table option. Once you click on insert table, it will ask you rows and columns. From here also you can put the number of rows and columns and you will get the table. You can just simply click on OK and you will get the table. There's one more method. Again you go to table. Here it is draw table option. Once you click on draw table, your cursor changes to a pencil and then you can simply drag and make a table. Just I will show you one example. In this way I can drag and I can draw the rows and columns here. Okay. So this is how we can create rows and columns here on the table. Now apart from this, we have another tab here, that is the layout tab. These two design and layout tabs are visible only when you create a table or you select a table here. See, once you have done something, now it is eraser is also there. You can simply bring the eraser, press the left mouse button and you can erase whatever wrong you have done. Okay, again you see the two tabs disappeared. I select the table, again they are coming up. Now here we can just simply choose a row or column. Suppose I choose a row. Suppose we select a row here. Once you select row, you can insert the row above or below, both. See, just count. Now it is more. You can insert the below. So now it is again number of rows increased. Since we have not written anything, it is difficult to say which side it is, but however when you write also and you try to insert rows and columns, it will be there. Now once we have selected column, we can put to the left, or you can see this side it appeared, or you can put to the right side. So again see this side, one column appeared. This is how we do. Apart from this, there is another option, that is merging and splitting the cells. Now merge, as we know, we mix two things, and split, we break a thing. So suppose I want to merge these two, these two cells, and I want to make it one in place of two. So simply click on merge cell. See, this two change into one. I can split also. Suppose I want to break this cell into two. So I will just simply select it from anywhere. Yes, so one only we will select. Okay, we selected. Now we are going to break it. So we want to break in two columns and one row. Okay. See. So now two columns and one row. So this is how we broke the cell. So this way you can do with every cell, or you can do with row and columns. Okay. So simply when you click, you get again. Not only this, we can split the table. You select the table. We select the table from here, and then we can go to split table. Then the table will turn into two. Okay. Apart from this, not only this, there are some pre-designed formats. You can go to design. You can choose any format that is pre-designed for your table. See, it will change the color and all. Right? You can fill the shading. You can put colors. See, this one we have selected. So I can put any color there. If I click on this cell, I can go to shading. I can put any color on this cell. See, green I have put. This is how we can do. Now border styles, we can put the borders, and we can also put the borders here. See, can you see the border appearing? All borders. Let me do. See, now all borders. Not only this, you can draw a border painter. This you can just drag and it will give you a border. Wherever you want, it will give you a border. This is border painter. And here we can set the size of the borders, color of the borders, pen color. We can choose the pen color for the border. Okay, so sorry, just we drag, and this is how I can choose a color for the border. So this was all about the tables. Once again, I show you the layout tab. Here is this for drawing a table, then eraser for erasing something wrong. You can delete the table from here. You can insert any row above, any row below. For that you need to select the row for above or below, whatever you want the row. Then again insert left, you have to select the column whose left you want a column, or you have to select the column where you want the column to the new column to right. Then when we select in two cells and we go or a column or a row, then we can merge them. Merge them means make them one. And then split, I can break it into two. Not only this, I can break the table into also two parts. Okay, apart from this, we can insert the things. I can write also something here. Just I want to say, see, I am happy. I write here. Okay. So once I write, you see, after writing, you can here also layout. You see alignment. You can align to left, right, center. See, this is alignment left, above, bottom. So this is how you can place your text inside a cell. Not only this, you can make it beautiful. You can change the colors and styles. So this was all about the table, drawing tables in Word. If any problem, you can ask.